how can you change the color on a reading screen on the iPad? Well, let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So, of course, it depends on which app you are using to read your things or whatever, but the Apple Books is great for it because you can open up the Apple Books and in there you can just get inside any of your like stuff, books, whatever, and tap on the options in the bottom right corner and you can choose the theme and settings where you can bump up the text size, the background, as well as the font, right? So you can see you can change the font, you can customize the layout, and also the background, right? It can be changed from like this book color background to the black one, or you can switch your iPad to the light mode from dark mode and it will make the background light or make it dark. So plenty of options and ways to customize it within the Apple Books app. The only issue is perhaps that you have a PDF file which is like stored somewhere else and you don't really have it in your books. And if that is the case, if this applies to you, you can locate your PDF file within the Files app, hold down on it, tap on Share, and choose the Apple Books, which will let you move the file to the Apple Books app where all of the things and all of the features apply and can be tweaked, right? So even if you don't have like any for example, as I said, the PDF file, not inside of the books, you can actually move it there, and there you can apply all of the changes and customize the color and all of that kind of thing. So let me know if it helped, hit a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next tutorials. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you later.